We're now going to look at the chain rule. So the chain rule is basically just another technique to differentiate functions. So the first step in the chain rule is we'll take a derivative of an outside function while leaving the inside function alone and multiplying it by the derivative of the inside function. So the easiest way to explain the chain rule is by looking at an example problem. So here we have y is equal to 2x cubed plus cosine x raised to the 50th power. And the first step in using the chain rule to differentiate this function is we want to define our inside and outside functions. So it's very clear that our inside function will be the function that's contained within the parentheses, and the outside function will be what is raised to the power. So after we've decided what our inside function is and our outside function, the next step will be to actually apply the chain rule to differentiate. So here we have the power will get brought to the front and we'll subtract by 1 for our outside function. So this is the first step in the chain rule by taking the derivative of the outside function. The second step is we're going to leave this inside function alone. So you can see that we've left this inside function alone. And then the last step is we want to take the derivative of the inside function and multiply it to the other portions of the derivative. So you can see here, this is what we have for our derivative when we have applied the chain rule. And taking the derivative of the inside function, we can use the power rule to take this 3, multiply it by the 2. So that way we can get 6x squared. And then the derivative of cosine x will be negative sine x. So you can see here we have minus sine x. And then by rearranging this function, we can rewrite it to be a little bit more neat to where we have the 50 out in front, the 6x squared minus sine x multiplied by 50, and then the 2x squared plus cosine x raised to the 49th power. And this is the solution for our example problem.